Hello and welcome to Mr. Bang Has Flipped. This is video lesson number 5. We're going to be talking about x and y intercepts. And I sound a little weird because I'm having trouble with my allergies right now. So, what is an x-intercept? Well, an x-intercept is the point where a graph crosses the x-axis. Duh. Alright, here's a graph. So we want to find out where does it cross the x-axis. Well, there's one point right there, it crosses the x-axis, and that is at the point -4, 0, or at x equals -4. You can write it either way. Now there's another point right there. Okay, that's at 6. So then you would write the answer as 6, 0, or x equals 6. That's it. That's what the x-intercepts are. Now we also are going to look at the y-intercepts, and that's the point where a graph crosses the y-axis. Now here's the same graph. Where does this graph cross the y-axis? Well, it crosses the y-axis way down there at -24. So this time it's going to be at 0, -24, or y equals -24. Now notice the 0 is on the x values this time instead of the y values. Okay, so we're going to use function notation to write the x and the y-intercepts. Okay, when you write the x-intercepts, it's going to look like this. F of x is equal to 0. Whenever you see that, that means the x-intercept. So the y-intercept is going to look like this. F of 0 is equal to c. And c is some number, okay, some constant. So for example, f of x would equal -24 for the y-intercept. Alright, so what do x and y-intercepts look like on the table of values? Well, I want to find the x-intercepts first, and on this table here, I'm going to look where the y values are 0. Sounds backwards, okay? I'm looking for the y values are 0, and that's going to give me the x-intercepts. So the y values are 0. Okay, here's 1. And so the x-intercept would be at -2. You could write either -2, 0, or just x equals -2. Now there's another place where the y equals 0. It's right here. So this x-intercept would be called 3, 0, or x equals 3. Okay, so to find the x-intercepts, we look for the y values are 0. So how do we find the y-intercepts? Yeah, right. We look for where the x is 0. It's kind of opposite. It's a little confusing. So we're going to look for where the x values are 0, and there's only one of those. So where's the x value 0? It's right there. And the y-intercept would be at 0, 6, or y equals 6. And that's all there is to the x and y-intercepts. Okay, so work on your SSP packet and answer these questions for that. And I'll see you in class tomorrow. Okay, thank you.